I'm just a cog in the machine.
Really?
Jesus! Ah!
How about now?
He frequents a bar downtown!
Do I look like some rookie cop?
Ah! Ah! Right, okay. In a cave, just across from the river crossing. Much obliged.
Welcome one and all to the berserkest of all circus. Most murderous of them all. Things you see will blow your mind. Don't worry though, nothing to fear. The show is filled with joy, pain and screams you'll never hear. So sit back, relax, enjoy, have fun. Watch feats you won't believe. You may exit any time you like, but you might never leave.
I don't know if anyone can hear me, but if you can, please help.
Oh, come back. I've got some good news for you.
What is it?
Well, after pulling a few strings, I've managed to get you enrolled in a proper school.
Yeah?
Aren't you excited?
Yeah, I guess.
It's a chance for you to make some friends and get a proper education.
Thanks. Guess I'll put the rest of my stuff away.